My parents gave me a science kit in elementary school. I never touched it, like ever. Science wasn't my thing. I guess I just had this idea that, you had to be really smart to do that. And I felt more drawn to artistic things. I loved to draw, I loved to paint, and I really loved origami. And then one time I saw this really cool video, and it was at MIT, and they were folding origami, but with what they call smart materials, and they were using shrinky dinks. And I was like, wow, that is so cool, because that's like what they would do in the Avengers. It was like next level. And so I wanted to do that myself, so I set up my own sort of table at home and began to pursue that. And I realized it was a whole new world, that like I could help people with doing this, something so simple yet so fun. And so I began to do research on that. These are triangular, this is a trapezoid shape, but this is essentially what happens is it folds over this, and it creates like a grasping hand, and it can actually lift up to 24,000 times its weight, so it's very strong.
She always wanted to learn anything. Anna had an incredible empathy for her classmates. In my classes, she was always willing to help the person that she thought may not know that much, and she was always willing to show them how to do something. She was a school ambassador, and she always wanted to make sure that everybody knew about our school.
When she came to me and asked if she could grow the Student Ambassador Club, at first I raised my eyebrows because I'm like, not everyone can do this. And she really wanted everyone who wanted to be a part of it to be a part of it. I can remember hearing her say at some point, sure you can. Sure you can. And if you fail, then that's what science is, because everything doesn't have to be perfect. We'll just recreate a plan and we'll do this over again. And so building that confidence in other students, it was one of her skill sets.
So in a couple weeks, I'll be flying up to New York City, and I'll be attending Columbia University for engineering, which I'm really excited, also scared, because I know engineering is challenging. I don't actually want to be an engineer in the industry. I actually want to go into education, perhaps work for Teachers for America, and work in an area where they don't have a lot of resources, and I can give back and learn what a lot of these resources I have now, and maybe start programs like that in those areas. One of my biggest goals is that I can help students to find that kernel of motivation. I guess you could call it the click. So for me, it was when I realized that I could connect this art that I love to science. So I guess I hope to share the passion or the emotional side of STEM, that it's really neat and it's something to pursue and it can be your dream. Hi everyone, it's me again, but this time 3 years later. Last time you saw me, I had just graduated from high school, and I'm here at my lovely campus. I attend Columbia University in my third year. I'm a junior now, and I'm studying industrial engineering with a minor in psychology. I'm really excited about optimization and human factors, so finding better ways to serve humanity through engineering. Thank you all for staying tuned and supporting STEM education along the way.